In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift Audible credits. This is a wonderful way to share the joy of audiobooks with friends and family. Whether it's for a birthday, a holiday, or just because gifting Audible credits is a thoughtful gesture that can open up a world of stories and learning for your loved ones. Let's get started by opening your preferred internet browser. Once your browser is up, search for the Audible Gift Center. This is the dedicated page where you can purchase Audible credits as gifts. It's important to start here because this page will guide you through the entire process of selecting and sending your gift. Once you're on the Audible Gift Center page, you may be prompted to log into your Audible account if you haven't already. Go ahead and enter your login details. This step is crucial because it ensures the purchase is linked to your account and you can track the gift if needed. After logging in, you'll see options for the number of credits you can gift. You can choose from 1 credit for 1 month, 3 credits for 3 months, 6 credits for 6 months, or 12 credits for 12 months. Each choice has a different price, ranging from $15 for 1 credit to $150 for 12 credits. Consider the recipient's listening habits when selecting the number of credits. This choice is important because it determines how many audiobooks they can enjoy. Next up, you'll need to choose your delivery method. You have 2 options here. You can send the credits via email, which will be sent directly to the recipient's inbox. Alternatively, you can choose the print option. This allows you to print a certificate that you can place inside a physical card. This flexibility is great because it lets you tailor the gift to the occasion. With that decision made, it's time to fill out the details for the gift. Enter the recipient's name and email address. Then add a personal message to make the gift even more special. You'll also need to select a delivery date. This could be immediate, or you can schedule it for a special occasion in the future. Remember, adding a personal touch with a message can make your gift even more meaningful. Now you're almost done. Complete the checkout process using your credit card. Audible makes this straightforward, and it's similar to any online purchase you might make. Once you've finished the checkout, the recipient will get a link to claim the credits immediately. Rest assured, this is a seamless process, and they'll be able to start enjoying their audiobooks right away. So there you have it. You've successfully learned how to gift Audible credits. This is a simple yet impactful way to share the love of listening. Whether they're into thrilling mysteries or relaxing self-help books, your gift will surely be appreciated. Thank you for joining me today, and happy gifting!